Hi, good afternoon. My name is Maximiliano Salazar, and today I'm going to explain you the challenge 11 of the information technologies. For first, as I ever do, here we have the code. For start, we declare the to int the RS, LS that mean right sensor and left sensor. We declare the right sensor as 2 and the left sensor as 3. Then we have to declare the in 1, 2, 3, and 4 of one of this one. I don't remember well the name. We declare the ints as the pin 10, 9, 6, and 5. Then we have to declare the int left value and right value for the motors and also for the sensors. Then we have the void setup. We use pin mode to declare all of these ones, the RS and in, the sensors and the inputs. We declare the sensors as inputs and the ints as outputs. And then we start, sorry. And then we start with the void sensor reading, the left value. We need to use digital read, LS for read the left sensor and in the contrary for the right sensor. Then we start with this one special void forward for move forward the car. We use digital write in 1 to declare as low and the in 2 as high, and that for move the motors. We use this from the motors to move forward the car, and we also do the same as for turn right. We use the left motor and right motor, and we repeat it. This one for stop motors. We declare everything as low for doesn't move, and then we have the void loop. We need the sensor reading to read the sensor. What are they that are reading? If there is something to step it or no. And then we have the if for the left value. If the left value read for example here, the left sensor reads something but the right sensor doesn't read anything, then it will turn left. And for the reverse, for the contrary, turn right if the left sensor doesn't sense anything but the right sensor yes. And another else if is the left value doesn't sense anything, also the right value, then it will move forward. But if they declare it, then if both of the sensors sense, then they stop, then the motors will stop. And then we have the end of the code. And here we prove it. I have some troubles with this one. You will see now why. I will turn on this. Well, I explain it you. Here are the connections for the motors, the black and red cables. We have much black cables for the ground. We have from the sensors. We have for the battery, also for this one black needs also the cable of black, and for only I will try to move it a little. This one. Here we have I solved the switch, and we have here the sensors. I will explain you one trouble I got with the sensor to, I don't know, get more score, because I searched for many ways to solve it, but I didn't found the one. And here I go. This is the trouble I had. This move is only one direction. I don't know what happens with the sensors. But, well, I also know what happened with the sensors. I use a voltmeter to see that one of the sensors, I don't remember how much, but this one, the black LED of one of those two, I think this one, because this isn't moving, doesn't work as it needs. It has lower voltage than the other, and yes, that's the problem I have. I think that the sensors are not working well. So this was my project, and thanks for your attention.